You've got a car, maybe your first, maybe your dream ride. Either way, you're now responsible for more than just driving. Auto insurance is your financial safety net. You pay a premium, and in return, the company helps cover costs if something goes wrong. Without it, even a minor accident could cost you thousands. The confusion. There's not just one type of insurance. Think of it as a buffet of protections. Some, like liability, are required by law. But today, we're focusing on the optional but crucial ones: collision, comprehensive, and uninsured motorist. These protect your car and your well-being. Understanding these coverages lets you make smart choices and avoid financial disaster. We'll break down the jargon, look at real scenarios, and by the end, you'll know exactly what you're getting. Ready? Let's dive into the world of auto insurance. Let's get started. First up, collision coverage. It pays to repair or replace your car if you hit another car or object, back into a parked car, sideswipe a mailbox. Collision coverage steps in. It covers damage to your vehicle, no matter who's at fault. Picture this: you rear-end someone. Your liability insurance pays for their car, but what about yours? That's where collision comes in. After your deductible, your insurer covers the rest. Without it, you pay out of pocket for repairs, sometimes thousands. For newer valuable cars, collision is almost essential. It protects your investment and your peace of mind. Even a small mistake won't wreck your finances. Collision coverage keeps you moving forward, even after a crash. It's your car's bodyguard. Let's move on. Next, comprehensive coverage, your shield against life's random disasters. If collision is for crashes, comprehensive is for everything else: hail, floods, fire, theft, vandalism, even hitting an animal parked under a tree during a storm and a branch falls. That's comprehensive. Car stolen or windows smashed. Comprehensive has your back. It covers the unpredictable, non-driving related events that can ruin your day and your wallet. Imagine waking up to a broken window and missing stereo. With comprehensive, after your deductible, insurance helps pay for repairs and replacements. Without it, you're on your own. Comprehensive coverage protects your car from the unexpected. It's peace of mind for all the what ifs. Now let's talk about other drivers. Uninsured motorist coverage steps in when someone else causes an accident but doesn't have insurance or not enough. 1 in 8 drivers is uninsured. If they hit you, you could be stuck with the bill. Uninsured motorist coverage pays for your medical bills and, in some states, your car repairs. Hit and run, this coverage can help. If the at-fault driver's insurance isn't enough, underinsured motorist coverage fills the gap. It's your financial bodyguard when others drop the ball. Don't rely on others to protect you. Protect yourself. This coverage is crucial for your peace of mind. Let's wrap it up. To recap, collision, comprehensive, and uninsured motorist coverage each protect you from different risks. Collision fixes your car after a crash. Comprehensive shields you from non-crash disasters. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you from irresponsible drivers. You need all three. If you have a new car or a loan, your lender probably requires collision and comprehensive. For older cars, you might skip them to save money, but uninsured motorist coverage is recommended for everyone. Talk to your insurance agent, ask questions, and understand your options. Build a policy that fits your needs and budget. Smart coverage means peace of mind on every drive. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and stay protected. See you next time.